I did not lift my skirt. It twirled up. You only remember the bad stuff. Remember that band I got for that party? No. You only remember that my skirt accidentally twirled up.
And you weren't wearing any underwear.
Well, boo-hoo.
No, it's not supposed to happen this way. I'm supposed to go first. I was always ready to go first. I can't stand this. I just want to hit someone until they feel as bad as I do. I just want to hit something and hit it hard.
It's okay, Anthony. Put the phone down. You must be the adoptive mother.
I am Kyle's mom, Gwen Rice.
Okay, well, if you hadn't noticed, this is the office of the district attorney, not a family law firm.
Oh, unless you're Carla and John Darling, which means this is a free legal aid clinic.
I am not helping them.
Before he left Saudi Arabia, somebody gave him $250,000, told him to deliver it to an address in Los Angeles, or they'd go back and finish the job on his mother.
It's called wood. It's oak.
Oak? An oak closet? Huh. Why am I even amazed?
I don't know, lady. Why are you amazed?
One would think you would know that closets are made of cedar. If not, we get moths.
Lady, here on the Pacific Coast, we don't have much of a moth problem. But that's fine. If you want it out of cedar, I'll redo it. Just gotta tell you, it's gonna more than double my estimate.
What do you mean?